Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I've just randomly decided to order a Bellabox, and you're going to see in like a couple clips I'm probably looking a little bit different because this is the day that I'm actually buying it. So I wanted to buy like, I think they're called like BoxyCharm or something like that. Kylie Jenner was like advertising it, but you can only get it in the US. I asked a question in one of these like girl groups on Facebook that I'm a part of, and everyone said the Bellabox was the best one. Decided to order the women monthly box. It is $20, but then I got $10 off with using like a code. It just said that every month you'll get like a different bunch of products, and you'll get full size and like travel size products as well. So I'm really excited for when it gets here. So we're gonna fast forward to when the box actually arrives, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a rundown on what I did. So basically I went onto the Bellabox website and I chose the box I wanted. And I'm not actually sure how many boxes there are. I don't obviously work for Bellabox, so I'm not really sure. And then I used the Honey plugin, which just gives you like the best discount available. And then I went to Shop Back, and I'm pretty sure I got money back for this one. Can't really remember because it was so long ago, but as you can see, I'm putting it into Shop Back just to see if I can get any money because, you know, always want that extra coin. And then I added in the discount code, I updated all my details, and I got it shipped to me. And once I added in all my details and I paid for my first box, then I was able to update my beauty profile and select all the things I wanted that catered to myself. But if you guys have any more questions, just leave them down below and I'll try and answer them best as I can. Imagine filming 3 videos and not changing your shirt because you just can't be bothered and it's too hot. That's me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and follow my Instagram also. So I have had these sitting here for a while. I've obviously opened them to see what's in them. Thought it'd be fun just for us to go through and see what you do get in a monthly box, see if it's worth it. That's all I have to say. Let's get started. So starting off, this is the packaging. It does come in like a satchel, really nice like cardboard box, really pretty logo. I honestly think I'll chuck these boxes out just because I'm trying to not be such a hoarder and I just like, I don't need them. But yeah, really pretty boxes. Love the packaging. You open the packaging up and it does come with tissue paper with a little sticker that you obviously have to rip, and then it has a card. It says September Bellabox, and so I got September, October and November, and then it tells you like everything that's on it, but I thought it's more fun if we go through it. So again, you pay $19.95 with free shipping and you get a bunch of products. First thing I got in this package was the Benefit Porefessional primer, and it is just like a little travel size. I will probably give this to someone I work with. I have another one to give to someone I work with because I don't actually like this primer. I think, you know, like it looks nice. I just feel like it feels a little bit slimy on my skin. Definitely prefer the Smashbox Porefessional one over this one. But anyway, still a really cool thing to get because I know heaps of people love it. And then the next thing I got was the Philosophy Take a Deep Breath Oxygenating Eye Gel Cream. And I'm assuming this is an eye cream. I actually haven't used it. I love trying new like skincare products though. I'm a big sucker for like samples, as we know. So you get this in here, and I'm pretty sure Philosophy is like a high-end brand. I'm pretty sure it's in like David Jones and it might be in Sephora. I'm not really sure, but yeah, definitely really cool. This is obviously like a sample size, but you really don't need a lot with an eye cream, so this is the size that it comes in. It's the same size as like the Porefessional. And then the next thing you get is the Philosophy Take a Deep Breath Oil-Free Oxygenating Gel Cream. So this is like a facial moisturizer. This one's double the size of the other one, but it's still like a travel size, so definitely a good little size to obviously travel with or just try out the product. So I'm actually not mad about that they are travel sizes because I really like travel sizes. And then got a Calvin Klein Euphoria blush perfume, and it's just like a little perfume sample that you get like on the side of like a Sephora order. I haven't actually smelt it. It smells like really nice, but it definitely doesn't smell expensive, if that makes sense. Another thing I got was the Garnier Bio Anti-Wrinkle Day Care. This is literally just like a little packet sample size. And then the full size product for this box was the Pantene Pro V 3-Minute Miracle Daily Moisture Renew conditioner. And I remember these when I used to dye my hair with like the Pantene like box dye. I just remember they made my hair feel so smooth. I might try this when my normal conditioner has run out because I'm currently using Olaplex. I think I might not spend as much money on my shampoo and conditioner now that my hair isn't pink anymore. I actually don't mind getting this because I know that I liked it when I used to dye my hair. Okay, so that is box 1. Also, the card that comes in the box tells you like the retail price of everything you got in the box, just so you know like how much you did get out of the box. So you actually were going to receive either the Benefit Porefessional, the Laurent Precision Tip Liner or a Luna by Luna Ophelia Cream Lipstick. So you would have got either of them. I got the Porefessional. You guys want to take a quick read of the card just so you can see like what the prices are and stuff like that, so you can compare if you think it's worth it or not. I definitely think I got way more than $20 worth of stuff. The next box is a purple box, and I think this one, you know, is really pretty as well. Again, probably gonna check it out. Or might put it on Facebook Marketplace and see if anyone wants like some little boxes. So this one comes with a little card as well, and this box was better than the last box. You definitely got like better products. I think again, once I created my profile and like ticked what I wanted, it like catered to me. So the first thing is the Exfoliate Your Lips Bean Body Lip Scrub in the shade Espresso. Now, I'm not a coffee drinker like whatsoever. I like the smell of it. I hate the taste of it. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I actually haven't used it yet, and I'm probably not going to use it for a couple of weeks just because I got my lips tattooed, but it's a full-size product, so that's pretty exciting. And that one retails for $12.95. The next thing is the Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm. It's a full size and it retails for $6.95. I've never had Burt's Bees before, but I used to hear about them all the time with like American YouTubers. Not so much anymore. I'm super excited. It's super cute packaging, and I can never have too many lip balms. I always just keep them like in my bag or in my car or something like that. The next thing is the Avene or Avene Very High Protection SPF 50 Water Resistant Emulsion Face for Sensitive Skin. So I think this is just a little sunscreen. And the retail price for a 50ml is $26.95. This is a sample size of 5ml. You can get it at Chemist Warehouse or Priceline. So it even tells you like where you can buy the products. I'm excited for this. We are in summer at the moment. I did buy a sunscreen from Priceline like yesterday, but that's okay. You can never have too many sunscreens. And I'd be really interested to see if this makes my face greasy, because I hate when stuff makes your face greasy. If you saw in my lip tattooing vlog, you would have seen that like I complained about a sunscreen that I bought because it was like really greasy. Excited to try this one out. The next thing is the Jinju Beauty Ginseng and Eucalyptus Under Eye Mask. I think it just says 2 eye patches made in Korea, so that's super exciting. I've never tried any Korean skincare, Korean makeup or anything like that, so I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm actually wearing them right now. Yeah, I know. Do you like them? If you can see, this is Madeline. She hates being up here like this, so she's probably gonna get off in a second. They're more of like a jelly consistency than like a wet consistency. Like the ones from like Kmart are like wet. These are more like jelly, and like just so you can see like just so you can see like they're not like slipping off my face or anything. I know this looks weird, but like they're not slipping off my face. Yeah, they feel good. They say leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, which is a bit long for me, but that'd be good if you were doing like your eye makeup. There we go. Or something. There you go. Or something like that. But so far so good. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So it has English for a caution on the back, but the instructions are in English. But it gives you like a little cartoon picture of what you're meant to do, and under eye patches are pretty self-explanatory. And this one retails for $4. So already we've hit our $20 mark, which is super exciting. We've still got some more to go. The next product, which is the high-end product of this box, is the Fenty Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Freckle Fiesta. Now this shade was actually created for Bellabox. Like they collaborated with Fenty to create this shade. I saw a lot of comments on Bellabox's Facebook. People were complaining about the shade, saying, oh, you know, I would never wear this. It doesn't suit me. I should be able to like choose my own shade. But to be honest, I'm not too mad about the shade. It probably isn't something that like, you know, I would like gravitate towards, but I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. And you know, it's always good to try new shades. Fenty, really cool packaging. I've never tried their lipsticks before. So this is the shade here, and it is like a burnt sort of orange shade. And again, probably something I would never choose on my own, but I think it would look really nice like with a nice tan on like a date night or something like that. And I'm super excited to try their formula. So I'm really happy we got this. The Fenty lipstick retails for $29, so we're nearly at $50 for a $20 box, which is pretty cool. And the last product is another little sample. It's the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation in 030 Stand, just a little like sample sheet. So all in all, I actually was really happy with this box. I think that it's got some great products. I'm excited to try the like Korean skincare, the lip scrub, the sunscreen, and the Fenty Beauty lipstick. And you know, it's good to have an extra lip balm. The sample of foundation I will probably never use, but everything else is really good. So I'm super happy with this box. Let's move on to box number 3. So third box, very similar to the first color box. So my payment on this actually failed because I never keep money in like my account with my card. I always just transfer it, and I forgot about the payment. So I went in to pay, try it, and then it asked what I would like to choose. So this one you got to choose between a double-ended lipstick and liner, and you got to choose between 2 shades. It's from MCO Beauty, and I've seen this all over Instagram. I don't know if they're like a new brand or like if they're just like using influencers to get like a little bit more noticed, but I chose the shade Nude Rush, and I love this idea of there being like a lipstick and a liner in one. I think that's like really smart. I don't know if anyone's like done that before. I chose this one just because I felt like I would like this better. So it has a lipstick on one side, and that's the shade there, and then it has a matching liner, which I think is really smart. A really like on-the-go product. At the moment we're still having to wear masks in Melbourne, so I probably won't be using this unless I'm filming, and that retails for $12. It's available at Woolworths, Showpo.com and MCO Beauty. Sorry, we're at $12 already. The next thing is the QV Skin Lotion. It's like a sample size. It's 15 ml. I've heard a lot of good things about this stuff for people who have eczema or really sensitive skin, so I'm excited to give this a try. I might just keep it in my car. I have a travel size of the, I think it's like the Simple like moisturizer at the moment, so this would be really good to keep in my car. And a full size of that retails for $29.95, but that is for 1 litre, so I don't know how to work out how much this one would cost, but I would say it'd be like $4.95 or something like that. So the next thing is the Garnier Body Company hand cream in verbena cedarwood enriched with essential oils, 75 ml. This one is full size and it retails for $4, available at Woolworths, but I'm really not like a hand cream type of person, so yeah, I'll probably give this to like one of my mum's friends, because my mum doesn't use hand cream either, but I know that like one of her friends might, or if they don't want it, I'll give it to someone at work. So I think we would have hit the $20 mark depending on how much like that QV lotion is, and we've still got more to go. So the next thing is the Batiste Tropical Coconut and Exotic 50 milliliter dry shampoo. This is a travel size. This one retails for $5 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline for this size. This is really good because I can chuck it in my handbag and use it on the go. I actually bought the full size of this for 50% off yesterday. That's right here. So if you want to see like the difference in size, and try this dry shampoo, it is really good. It does live up to the hype, and we've passed the $20 mark. The next thing is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Laser Day. It says new formula. It's like a little sample. I actually have like 20 of these in my samples drawer in my bathroom, so I don't know if I'm ever going to use this, but yeah, got this. And the last makeup product is the Luna by Luna eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Juliet. I've never heard of this brand before. We're either going to get a Model Co eyeshadow trio, a eyeshadow, or a mascara from Model Co. Oh no, there was a bunch of other stuff that you were gonna, it's pretty much all Model Co stuff that you were gonna get. This is available at lunabyluna.com. Again, I've never heard of this brand, but you know, can never have too much makeup. It does come in like a cute little thing like this, and it's just like a really nice, it's like a sort of blush rose muted like shimmer shade. Feels really smooth to the touch, and that's the shade there. So it is actually like a really gorgeous shade. It's a really nice like everyday sort of pinky shimmery shade. I will definitely use that. I have a bunch of like shimmery eyeshadows that I just put on when I don't know what shade I want to use, so I'll definitely be using that one. It doesn't tell me how much that retails for, but I'm sure you can Google the brand and look it up. Then it came with a Paper Club 20% off your first mystery box. It's for stationery. I will never use this, so if anyone wants to use it, the code is Bella20. I'm not much of like a stationery person unless I go to Kmart and buy like a $2 diary. And I also got a HelloFresh, save a total of $90 off your first 4 boxes, and I got my own little like code. I actually ordered HelloFresh the day before this came, so I might give this to one of my friends. Anyway, so that is everything that came in the boxes. I definitely think I'm going to keep my subscription ongoing. It's kind of nice to spend, you know, like $20 and get like a bunch of new products that I probably would never try. I might stop it after like the 6-month mark and then maybe like rejoin, just because I don't need so many new products coming in because I buy so much. I say this all the time, but I'm going to try and stop online shopping. I've spent so much money over the past like few months. It's actually ridiculous. Let me know down below if you guys are interested in trying out Bellabox, if like you've thought about it, if you have tried it, like what your experience was, if you like the type of products that came in. So let me know your thoughts. I'm really curious if like other people find subscription boxes cool or if they just find them annoying. And hopefully this video was a short one. If you guys haven't been watching my vlogs, make sure you do check them out. I got my lips tattooed, I got my eyebrows tattooed. I got actually tattooed. So make sure you watch those vlogs to see what happened and see what I get up to throughout the week if you find me interesting in any way. But I hope you guys are having a really good day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.